This project develops naked eye 3D exploded view displays interaction technology. It enables cross-device remote collaboration, enhance equipment assembly and maintenance, and quickly identify problem areas. Create exposure pathways based on generative AI to deliver clear views of the 3D components. Reduce the production time from 2 weeks to 1 day for providing disassembly instructions of equipment components. We facilitate simultaneous multi-user interaction and discussion on detailed component data of exploded 3D device models. Assist equipment manufacturers with training, maintenance, and after-sales service operations to effectively serve the equipment repair and assembly market. Moreover, we are advancing cross-domain, cross-device multi-user interaction technologies to deliver international-grade solutions for interactive new media display technologies.